Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be logged into your Panda Rider app, your account must be verified, and a bank or payout method must be linked and cleared. Once done, open the app and tap Wallet or Earnings immediately. Make sure your displayed balance is accurate. If it's pending, wait for settlement. Now choose Withdraw or Cash Out to begin the actual transfer. This first move opens the form where you'll specify amount and destination. Next, select the bank account or payout option you added. Enter the exact amount you want to withdraw and watch the app calculate fees and arrival time. Instant transfers cost more. Make sure the amount follows daily and per transaction limits. Then complete any security checks like 2FA, SMS code, or PIN. This prevents fraud. Before you confirm, read the summary screen carefully, because once you tap Confirm, the platform initiates the transfer to you. After confirmation, you'll see a transaction receipt with an ID and estimated arrival. You should verify your bank account for the incoming deposit within the stated window. Instants appear within minutes. Standard transfers can take 1-3 business days. If the money doesn't arrive, first refresh the app and confirm the transaction ID, then contact Panda Rider support with that ID. A key troubleshooting tip: check for pending holds or mismatched account numbers, because most delays stem from
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.